So we have moved on to our pumpkin placemat, and I used my sewing machine for this one. If you have a sewing machine, it will be very quick and very easy. It's a fun little project. If you're a novice, this is a great first-time project. You'll be very impressed with the results. You'll be very proud of yourself, and your friends will be very impressed. So basically, we've cut our fabric, and we've put the right sides together, and the right side of the fabric is obviously the front, and the wrong side is the back. I'm going to put the right sides of both fabrics that you're going to use together, like that. Now we're going to sew around the perimeter. You went ahead and pinned them together so that they don't slide around. And we're basically just going to sew all around the edges. And you're going to want to make sure that you leave open just enough of an opening so that you can turn your placemat right side out, because we're sewing it inside out. Okay, so you just make sure that you match whatever thread color you want to use. If you want to use a contrasting thread, that's fine. But if you want to keep, if you want to keep it sort of matching, you can do a neutral color in case any of the thread shows. But again, this is going to be inside out. So because I'm using a very light color for the backing, a black thread might show. But if you're using a black fabric for the back, it really almost doesn't even matter what color thread you use. Okay, so I'm just going to turn on my machine. And I have fired up my iron because I'm going to use it in a minute. So you might want to go ahead and get your iron heated up. And I'm actually going to use a zigzag stitch for this. So you put the foot down.